Redmi Note Turbo, this is the phone na probably inaantay nyo lahat. The most premium among the Note 12 series. And kung tama ang rumors that this is the POCO F5, you'll be getting a sneak peek kung anong itsura nito once this one hits globally. But habang hindi pa confirm ang rumors, this is still your Redmi Note 12 Turbo. Tara, pag-usapan natin kanyang performance after this quick intro. Hi guys, ako si Rich from the Gadget Sidekick. Welcome back to my channel. This is the Redmi Note 12 Turbo. And kung hindi nyo pa napanood ang Redmi Note 12 Turbo na Harry Potter edition na full unboxing, link up here. And the phone na ito probably is one of the first one na naglabas together with the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2. It's a 4nm chip from Qualcomm and it can really perform. And kung tinignan natin siya sa Antutu benchmark, nearly 1 million points ang kuha niya. Basically, naglalaro siya doon, no? Around mga 950 to 1 million, which is near the level ng mga Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and 8 Plus Gen 1. Tinignan din natin other benchmark niya, like ito sa Wildlife. This is the score. And ito naman ang score na binigay sa kanya ni Geekbench. Typing left and right dito sa phone na ito is definitely very smooth dahil ang lakas ng kanyang processor on a daily casual usage, this one is more than enough para sa inyo. And by the way guys, ang Redmi Note 12 Turbo starts at a price of 20,000 pesos for 8256, which you can buy from Shandy Masangkay. And of course, this one, si Harry Potter edition, is being priced at 25,500 pesos also from Shandy Masangkay. Link on the description. And ito phone na ito is a China ROM variant. Definitely, it's not going to come out globally. So probably one of the problems is how to install Google Play. So you can install the Google Play Store in these few simple steps. So lang kayo sa Get Apps, type nyo lang ang Google Play, search, then makita nyo Google Play, click Update. Pagkatapos siya mag-update, makikita nyo ang Google Play Store. Pagkatapos siya mag-update, makita nyo ang Google Play Store, just click the Google Play Store, then sign in. Ganon kasimple. Now, ang kanyang display is probably one of the best ones from the Redmi Note series. And this one, parang redemption na rin siya, no? And I can say na si Redmi Note 12 Pro is, I mean, not the redemption series. This one says it all para sa Redmi Note 12. Ang kanyang display is a 6.67-inch na OLED display. Meron siya 120Hz of screen refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+ support. Ang kanyang maximum brightness is at 1,000 nit. Ang kanyang screen-to-body ratio is 89%. And kung tinignan natin ang kanyang bezel, quite slim sa ilalim and of course sa sides. Okay. And ang kanyang punch hole is not that big either. Normally, pag mga phones na China ROM, it comes with a level 3 na Wi-Fi security. But of course, not this one. It comes with a level 1. So, pwede ka manood ng mga HD sa mga inyong mga favorite na online streaming apps. And one of the good things dito na pwede na gawin sa phone na ito is to watch videos, binge watching yung mga Korean novela, watching basketball game, anime, reading mangas, lahat okay na okay dito. And the color is really nice, sharp, and punchy. Like any OLED display out there in the market. And after watching Duty After School dito sa phone na ito for 1 hour non-stop, I can look you in the eyes and tell you na ito ay legitly good display. And another thing na gusto natin gawin sa mga phones natin is to check social media. TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, lahat walang problema. It's very smooth dahil sa kanyang 120Hz of screen refresh rate. And as long as you have a good and stable internet. So habang nanonood ng videos dito sa Redmi Note 12 Turbo, sinamahan ko nito ang Redmi Buds 4 na Harry Potter edition. You can also buy this on the normal edition. So pagbukas natin, you can see yung buds niya, merong thunder. And of course, the full unboxing, kasama siya doon sa Harry Potter natin na Redmi Note 12 Turbo na unboxing. This is how it looks like. So kakabit natin sa aking tenga. And this is how it looks like. It's quite snug fit. And try natin i-shake kung matatanggal to sa ating tenga. Mas nahilo pa ako. So definitely ito, pag ginamit ito sa gym, so mountain climbing, expect na hindi siya matatanggal ng basta-basta. And so ginamit ko tong buds together with my Redmi Note 12 Turbo, watching videos, playing games, and of course, listening to music on Spotify. The sound is well-balanced. Napansin ko naman siya sa gaming, wala naman siyang lag. And what's nice dito is meron siyang active noise cancelling which can cancel out all the noise sa inyong paligid. Hindi naman sobrang nakaka-cancel out, but for sure, sobrang bawas sa mga ingay sa inyong paligid. Lalo ng mga marites sa maingay. So if you're a collector of Harry Potter, ito is definitely another one na pwede mo i-add sa inyong collection. And what's nice dito sa buds na ito, kaya na magtagal ng 2 days kasama yung charge sa charging case. And nabili ko nga pala to sa Shandy Masangkay for roughly 4,500 pesos. So ito phone na ito has 5,000 mAh of battery and it can charge as fast as 67 watts. Charging from 10 to 100 takes me roughly mga 50 minutes to complete the full charging cycle. So definitely okay, it's simply under 1 hour ang charging time niya. And another highlight dito sa kanya is tumatagal ang kanyang battery. It can last you for roughly 14 hours and 20 minutes ang kanyang screen on time. And this one is being tested on 50% na brightness and 60 Hz screen refresh rate. Pero kung ginagamit mo 120 Hz all throughout, probably 2 hours mawawala dito sa test na ito. Now, on my daily usage for the past 1 week, this one, kaya naman niya magtagal ng 1 whole day without charging as long as you're using it normally. Ako, for me, ginagamit ko siya for browsing, using for communication, Viber chat, Messenger chat, then of course sometimes may video conferencing, taking some photos, and some light casual games. Kaya naman, 1 day. So right now, itatakal natin ang gaming dito sa phone na ito. I did play 2 games dito, Call of Duty Mobile and Genshin Impact. Sa Call of Duty Mobile, all high settings dito sa phone na ito is definitely okay. Ang kanyang screen is nice, ang kanyang touch response is okay. And what's nice is, kaya mo mag-play ng mga 1 hour without having any problem dito. Halos wala akong nafe-feel na lags during the gameplay ng Call of Duty Mobile. So expect mo sa mga ML, PUBG, kayang-kaya din niya on all high settings. So pinakamainit na na-achieve ko sa Call of Duty Mobile is around mga 40 degrees Celsius. Ang next game naman nilaro natin dito is Genshin Impact. So I played 30 minutes non-stop dito sa game na ito and putting on all high settings, 60 frames per second. So after playing for 30 minutes, ang gameplay, I can say is definitely smooth. Well, very minimal ang kanyang frame drops if ever man, sobrang konti. And tuloy-tuloy naman laro ko non-stop dito sa game na ito. So ang gameplay is smooth during battles, during tumatakbo tayo, and of course, sa swimming. So expect you guys on other high graphics intense games like Tower Fantasy, it would give you the same performance like the Genshin Impact. So right now, itakal na natin ang camera nitong phone na ito. So sa likod nito, it has triple camera setup starting with the 64MP na main camera sensor. And ang sensor niya, by the way guys, is from OmniVisio, which is the OV64B. This one nakita natin from the OnePlus Ace 2V and was able to really capture some nice photos on that phone. Of course, there's an 8MP na ultra-wide lens and 2MP na macro lens. And ang kanyang best na kaya shoot dito na video is 4K 30fps. Ang Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 can give you a 4K 60fps. Hindi nga lang na-unlock. Then sa kanyang harap is a 16MP na front-facing shooter which can shoot up to 1080p at 60fps. Nung tinesting natin ang camera nito on outdoor situation, I can say na ang ganda ng mga photos na nakuha nito. It was bright, it was sharp, and honestly, ang dami ng details na kukuha. Tinatawag flower na ito, pag zoom in all the way, makita mo mga red dots sa kanya. It's very detailed. So, really, the camera is definitely nice. And ginamit naman natin ang ultra-wide lens siya, shooting on this scenery. This is how it looks like. Then ito ang 1x, and ito ang 2x. Digitally zoom. And taking in some photos sa indoor low light, well, it is also great. Ang daming mga photos na nakuha ko dito, sharp and very detailed. And I'm really impressed sa kanyang camera. And on some situation like this one na medyo low light talaga, medyo nahirapan din siya ng konti. But overall, it was still able to capture a great photo. Now, using the front-facing camera on outdoors, okay mga photos, but overexposed on some of the photos na nakuha ko, lalo ko medyo maliwanag ang araw. But, well, medyo hanap lang ganun konting lilim para medyo mas okay ang mga photos. And even on indoors, there are times na medyo overexposed din ang mga photos ko using the selfie camera. But using the portrait camera, I can say itong photo na nakuha na using the front-facing camera is pretty nice. So here's a sample ng video na nakuha ko using the front-facing camera, 1080p and 60fps. So guys, this is the Redmi Note 12 Turbo and this is the Harry Potter edition. So yeah, right now I'm vlogging using this phone indoors at 1080p and 60fps, and this is the resolution you'll be getting if you're indoors, and probably this is the same resolution you'll be getting if you're just making some quick video chat or just video conferencing. This is the same resolution you'll be getting. And by the way, the audio is using the default microphone. What can you say? And here's a sample ng video na nakuha ko using the rear camera, 4K and 30fps.
Ako din.
Ang camera niya is definitely okay, very stable ang kanyang front camera dahil meron siya EIS, and of course ang kanyang rear camera is also very stable, shooting at 4K and 30 FPS. Probably ang only reklamo ko dito sa kanya is hindi siya makapag-shoot ng 4K and 60 FPS, which is a huge plus para sa mga content creators. Now guys, kung totoong lumabas to as the POCO F5, definitely this is going to blow your mind away. Ang ganda ng kanyang camera, ang ganda ng kanyang gaming performance, ang ganda ng kanyang screen, and I could hardly say anything bad about this phone except siguro very plain and simple ang kanyang design. Wala naman siyang any fancy. And probably for me, nabitin lang dito is hindi na sinama 120 watts na turbocharging. Or even 210 watts na nakita natin sa Discovery Edition. So guys, kung gusto nyo mabili itong phone na ito, I'll be linking everything on the description box below, or just simply check ang Facebook page ni Shandy Masangkay. Now, kung nagustuhan nyo itong video nito, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit nyo na rin bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss ang future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.